Hello everyone, in this video I am going to measure the height of this pole by using similarity criterion. So let's get started. I am Kartik. I am studying grade 10th in Ascent International School. In this video I am going to measure the height of a pole. So let's get started. In this slide, let A be the pole of which we have to measure the height. Let's extend it to point C where the shadow of the pole stops and join AC. Now we have got a triangle ABC. So now let's measure the length of BC, which is the shadow of the pole. After the measurement, the length of BC is 18 meters. At the same time, my 1.6 meter tall friend casts a shadow of 6 meter. As we compare the both triangles, we get that two angles are equal. The angle B is equal to angle Q because both are 90 degree, and angle C is equal to angle R because it is the angle subtended by the sun at the same time. So now we can conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AX similarity criterion. Now we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR by because they are corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now after putting the values, we get the value of AB to be 4.8 meters, and so we can say that the height of the pole is 4.8 meters.